Hello everyone, long time no see. Thanks so much for tuning in with me today. I have a very short and quick little video for you guys today. I am going to unbox a cap from the lovely Miss Tumsy of Amidst the Clouds. I actually got this cap from one of her Halloween sales and I just got it yesterday, which is December 8th, 2021. So it was nice to receive like a little Halloween surprise in December. I mean that with absolutely no shade, you know? I understand people get busy and like it's hard to ship stuff out and make stuff, but it was just honestly really nice having like a little Halloween wedged into this Christmas season, you know, holiday season. And as much as people love the holidays, I absolutely despise them. And I mean that in like the least emo way possible. Not as in like a vlog Christmas and holidays and all that are for preps, but like I honestly dislike the winter season so much. And it was nice to be removed from this little festive season into, you know, a little reminder of seasons past. I got this box and I opened up the box, but not the little package inside. So I was waiting to make a little video to show that off. So her packaging is always super duper cute. Look at this. It's got a little stamped starfish on it and the words Amidst the Clouds, and it is wrapped in a cute little twine bow. I love it. So I'm so excited to open it up. And so we open up the box and see what is in store for us today. Oh, there's like so much stuff in here. That seems to be it. So I'm first going to look at this cute, oh my gosh, you got stickers! I'm sorry. I know that your like headphones or whatever you're listening on probably killed you right now, but I'm honestly very excited over this very, very cute little sticker. It's her little starfish and it's adorable, and I'm going to save this forever. And then a little sticky note that says thank you. And I got a very small little pack of Haribo gummy bears and a sweet and sour lemon haichu. I always love packages that include candy in them, which is why I always try to include candy in mine. And ooh, this is the little cap I got. And so I'm probably showing you guys a close-up of what the cap looks like in like a few seconds. Oh my god, this is adorable and I love it. Oh my god, it's so cute. So it is her cute little Octoboi. It's like a little octopus and it's like kind of covering its face, you know? It looks like a little bashful and shy and so cute. And this colorway is reminiscent of a very cool skull face. So it has a skull around, or a skull shape around its face, and its eyes are a very bright and glittery blue, and then the rest of it is a swirl of black and like kind of transparent, a little bit of gray. I'm assuming that it's probably not two different colors, or it might be, I'm not really sure. I am assuming this is like a swirl of like alcohol ink and like black pigment. I'm not entirely sure because I'm not very experienced with resin stuff, but that's kind of what it looks like to me. You can especially see this if you flip the cap upside down and look at it from underneath. Some parts of it are transparent, some of it is like more of an opaque color, and the rest of it is like a black color. This cap is so adorable, and I tried to do my makeup today to match the cap. You know, just throwing that out there. And I really love how well the skull on it was like painted out. It's very smooth on the top, like there's like, you know, little like jagged edges or anything, and then the bottom of it transitions pretty well. It like kind of droops a little bit to like form these skull teeth per se, and it looks really nice. I just love this cap. I haven't I haven't really entered for many caps now, but I haven't had an Octoboi in person until now. So it's so cute, and I'm so happy to finally have one in my collection. I mean, I'm not really a monochrome kind of gal, you know? Most of my caps are pink or purple or stuff, but I really like the black and white caps, you know? It's just totally my thing. Hopefully you guys can see how adorable this cap is, and that you can see all the different colors and you know, details in this cap in the video, and it's adorable. I am definitely not getting rid of this one anytime soon. I just wanted to show you guys that I have a few other caps that I got my hands on. I haven't been too active in the keycap scene recently, mostly just because I've gotten a little busy with like personal life stuff, and it's understandable. I've been indulging in like other hobbies and like work and all that kind of stuff, so it's super boring, but I'm sure you guys get it. I've been actually posting a lot to TikTok of all places. Yes, that big conglomerate that's out to steal all of my data, and I just willingly give it over. Like, someone please stop me. I've just mostly been showing off like my outfits and stuff. I would make more like keyboard related content on there, but honestly I'm not really the most creative person ever, so I don't want people to dunk on my videos, and I don't want bad content out there. So if anyone has any ideas on how to better film out, like, you know, short stuff for my TikTok, please, you know, hit me up. I am trying to think of stuff to do besides outfit videos. I just wanted to show you guys that cap. I wanted to give you guys a little update, and just let you guys know that I appreciate everyone who watches all my videos, despite how long it takes for me to bring out, you know, content for you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Happy clacking!